Hi, my name is Michaela. I'm from the Excellence College. We are now open for registrations. Please come through and register with us. We offer bursaries, apprenticeships, and learnerships. The courses that we do offer are trimester and semesters. So with trimester, we do offer engineering studies such as civil engineering, mechanical engineering, chemical engineering, and electrical engineering. With regards to the other courses that we do offer management in human studies, we offer beauty therapy, art, and such as skill development. So please come through and register with us. We will gladly be able to help you. All our courses are licensed courses from N4 to N6. Thank you so much. Bye.
Sanibona. Niyaphila. Swi college the Excellence college ye technology and cosmology sinest also nezifundo ze-engineering. Lezi ifundo lezi zonke ikhona la ekhaya ifundo ezo-nated as kwama-nated courses kusho ukuthi ayahlukana ngama-semesters and trimesters. Sinawo ama-engineering studies of which iwona are based kuma trimesters. Ama-trimesters ahamba kanjani? Sino N4, N5 and N6, and then ekugcineni bese uyagraduate. Then sinawo ama-management nama-humanities studies okuwukuthi lawo ama-studies awo asebenza go 6 months, which will complete in a period of 18 months. Those are called semester studies. Bese kuba i-art. Ne-art ingena under futhi ibhena yawo amalukuzane ama-semesters. So here we have art and design, popular music, studio work, and textiles. Sine beauty therapy, enama hair care, nail care, proficiency, makeup application course. Bese siba no skills and development cashier and computer literacy wona ke u6 weeks. Ningeza ke la ekhaya we also offer ama bursaries kulabo bantu abazongena kuqala. Sinawo nama practical trainings, apprenticeship nama learnership. Based on 21 Zumaisha Joslovo, which was formerly known as Usmit Street. You can come in isikhathi sika 8 up until 4. Ama courses A2 nama studies A2 ayaqala on the 27th sobesikhala. So don't miss out. Come and make sure ukuthi yonke into yenu niphethe izinto esiyidingayo like high. We need a copy ID, we need a copy statement, we need a proof of residence. And then uzobusuzwa kahle ke ngakho konke okunye ukuthi kuwenzeka kanjani. Singajabula kakhulu ke manje sivakashela. Uma futhi kukhona imibuzo enizoba nayo, sinayo inamba ekhona e031 023 2903 or a cell phone number direct 068 559 0493. Excellence College, the College of Cosmetology, Engineering and Technology. Siqalile ke ukuthatha ama walk-ins, siqalile futhi ukuregister for ama courses. Ungasali ngizolokho ngisho kanjalo kulabo abathole all regrets ngaphandle kuma FETs na kuma colleges. We welcome you. You can come. Siyakwazi ukuthi sik-assist ngendlela singaka-assist ngayo. Come inside. We have abantu abakhona friendly consultants azokusiza. Ngeke uphume ungasizakalanga. Siyajabula ukuthi ke sizonibona maduze.